Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do flaxseed gel packed with numerous nutrients such as vitamins B, E, iron, magnesium. Flaxseed gel is one of the best skincare remedy you can find. This gel does not only moisturize your skin, it removes dead cells, it tightens your skin, prevents fine lines, making it a great anti-aging gel. Flaxseed gel can also be used to fight dark spots and treat acne. Regular usage of this gel will make your skin firm, soft, glowing, youthful, and vibrant. So let's get started. We are going to be needing flaxseed. We are also going to be needing vitamin E capsules and a measuring cup. I'm going to measure 1/4 of a cup of flaxseed. Before making the gel, I'm going to wash the flax seeds thoroughly, so I'm going to add them in a strainer. After washing the flax seeds, I'm going to add them into a pot and I'm going to put 2 cups of water and then bring to boil on low heat, making sure I stir frequently. After about 10 minutes, your flaxseed gel will be ready. To know if your gel is ready, you see the froth coming up, the white froth coming up. Please don't allow it to cook for too long because it's going to get so thick you'll be unable to apply it on your face. So after about 10 minutes, your gel will be ready, and I'm going to use a strainer to strain the gel, and you can also use a cheesecloth to strain out the gel. As I earlier said, this gel is so beneficial for your skin. It moisturizes your skin, it removes dead skin cells, it tightens your skin and prevents fine lines. It has high amounts of omega-3 acids, and this gel makes your skin so bright. It improves complexion. It also leaves your skin firm, soft, glowing, and vibrant. Adding 2 capsules of vitamin E into the gel. I'm going to add in 2 drops of tea tree oil. This essential oil is really good and it's a very powerful weapon against acne. So if you're acne prone, consider adding tea tree oil into your flaxseed gel. It's going to help a lot. I'm going to combine these ingredients by slightly beating the mixture and transfer it into a sterilized container. Apply this gel on your face and leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and use cold water to wash it off your face. This gel can last up to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.